Hello everyone, today our topic is how to send automated WhatsApp message to your Marble and Granite business leads. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my Marble and Granite business in Facebook lead ads, then I want to capture the lead details and I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. And for sending the message, I'm going to use Vati. So here I need to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Vati. So for creating this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In Action application, I'm going to use Vati. So how I am going to create this integration, for that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can connect with our Facebook leads and how it will help us in growing our business. So this is my Facebook page for my Marble and Granite business, and it is named as the Stone Source. And to promote my business, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now I want to connect with my lead, so for that I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to all my Facebook leads instantly. So as I get a new Facebook lead, I will send an automated WhatsApp message to them automatically. So for this, I have to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. And for sending the message, I'm going to use Vati, which enables businesses to send and receive messages on WhatsApp. It is also an official WhatsApp API. So for creating this connection, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here I have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect and this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here I want to create new workflow. For that I'm going to click here on create workflow button and this window will pop up. Now I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send automated WhatsApp message to your Marble and Granite business leads. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab. And I'm going to select home here and I will click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here I have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. And now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. And now I have to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. So as I already have logged in my Facebook account in my browser, so it has detected that. So here I have to click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now I have these two details. First is of page, second one is of lead gen form. So where I'm going to find these details? So for this, let's go to Facebook. And this is my Facebook page and it is named as the Stone Source. So I'm going to use this page. And for the lead generation form, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this menu and I'm going to use Meta Business Suite. So I'm going to open this and in this I will go to all tools and in all tools I'm going to find this instant forms. So I'm going to open this and here we can see we have this one form. So this is my lead gen form that I'm going to use and it is named as new form. So I'm going to show you this and this is how my form look like and we have these details here, full name, email and the phone number. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to map these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So first I have to select my page and for selecting the page, we need to open this tab. And in this tab, we will find all the pages that are connected with our Facebook account. And I'm going to use this Stone Source page. So I'm going to select this. And for the lead generation form, you have to open this tab and you will find all the forms that are connected with your page. So I am going to use this new form. Now I have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button, and here it is waiting for webhook response. Now how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that I'm going to use Metaphor Developer, and in Metaphor Developer I have to create a sample submission and I have to make sure that my lead generation form is live. So for creating the sample submission, I will go to Metaphor Developer. So I will open Metaphor Developer, and in this I will go to More, and I'm going to open Tools here. And in Tools, I'm going to find this Lead Ads RTU Debug tool. So we are going to use this. So I'm going to open this. So this is my tool, and we have these details here, page and the form. So I have to select my page again. So I'm going to open this tab, and the stone source will be my page. So I'm going to select this, and my form is already selected, which is new form. Now what I need to do is I need to create a sample submission, and I need to create a new lead for my Marble and Granite business. So for that, I'm going to click here on Preview Form button. So this is my form, and I'm going to fill these details here. So the full name will be test user, and the email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com, and I have to give a phone number. So in this, I'm going to give a number, and also it is going to be the WhatsApp number of my lead. So this is the phone number. So I'm going to click on next, and I will click on submit. So my form is submitted, and I have created this new lead. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see we have received this new response. So the full name is test user, email is testuser@pabblytudes.com, and we have this random phone number, and this is also the WhatsApp number of my lead. Now what I need to do is I need to send an automated WhatsApp message to my lead, and I'm going to use this phone number, and I'm going to send this message automatically to my lead. So for that, I'm going to set up my actions tab. So I need to open this tab, and here my action application will be Vati. So I'm going to select Vati here, and I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I will connect Vati with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and to connect Vati, I have to give a API endpoint and the access token. And where I'm going to get this API endpoint and access token, for that I have to go to Vati, and here I will go to API docs. So I'm going to open this, and here I have this access token and the API endpoint. So first I'm going to copy this API endpoint. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that API endpoint here. Now I need the access token. So let's go back to Vati, and I'm going to copy this access token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste it here. Now I'm going to save this, and I have connected Vati with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to send an automated WhatsApp message to my lead, and for that first I need the WhatsApp number. So I got the WhatsApp number from my Facebook lead ads for my Marble and Granite business, and I'm going to use that number, and I'm going to map that number here. And for that I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response of Facebook lead ads, and in this response I have this phone number. So this is the number that I'm going to use, and this is the WhatsApp number of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Now I have to select my template, and for this I have to go to Vati, and in Vati I will go to templates. So I'm going to open this, and here first you have to create a new template message, and you have to get the approval from Vati for your template. And in your template you can customize your message that you want to send to your leads. And here I have took this approval for my template, which is named as Marble and Granite. So let me show you this. So this is my template, and it is named as Marble and Granite, and my category is marketing, and the language is English. And I have broadcast title, which is the name of my page, which is named as the stone source. And I have this body of my message, which is hello. The name is variable, so this is going to change according to my new leads that I'm getting from Facebook lead ads. And we have received your lead, and our team will connect with you very soon with all the exciting offers and products. Thank you for connecting with us. So this is the message that I want to send to all my Facebook leads that I'm getting for my Marble and Granite business. And you can customize your message according to you. Now I'm going to map these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And first I have to select my template, and for that I have to open this tab. And in this tab you will find all the templates that are connected with your Vati account. And I'm using this Marble and Granite template, so I'm going to select this. and I have to give a broadcast name. So the broadcast name will be of my page and my business. So I'm going to type that. So this will be my broadcast name. Now I have to give a custom param, and this is the most important step and I want to avoid mistakes here. So custom params should always be in this particular format. So I'm going to copy this format and I'm just going to paste it here. Now custom params are always in name value pair, and in the position of name I'm going to clear this color and I have to give the name of my variable, and in my message I have the variable of name. So I'm going to type name here, and for the value I'm going to clear this blue, and now I have to map the name of my lead here. So for that I'm going to open this response of Facebook lead ads, and this is the full name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. So this is my custom param, and in my custom param I only have one variable which is of name. So I have mapped the value of my variable here. Now if you have more than one variable, what you need to do is you need to give a comma here and you need to follow this format again. So I have filled all my details here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save and send test to quiz button, and here I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means I have sent an automated WhatsApp message to my Facebook lead instantly. Now to check this, let's open WhatsApp. And here we can see I have received this new message. So I'm going to open this. And here we can see this is the message from the stone source. So this is the name of my business. And the message is, hello test user. We have received your lead and our team will connect with you very soon with all the exciting offers and products. Thank you for connecting with us. So this is the same message that I have in the template of my Vati account, and I have sent this message automatically to the lead that I have just created in Facebook lead ads for my Marble and Granite business. So here my integration between Facebook lead ads and Vati is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Facebook lead ads and Vati in such a way that whenever I'm getting a new Facebook lead for my Marble and Granite business in Facebook lead ads, then I'm sending an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead instantly. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Vati, and my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.